Did you know the first 10 minutes of your morning can make your whole day bad? Wait, what? Make my day bad?
Just 10 minutes?
Yeah, like literally bad. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I am Luna.
And I am Lucas. But wait, Luna, 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Are you talking about the phone?
Yes, the phone.
Oh man, I always look at my phone in bed.
Everyone does it. You wake up, you open your eyes, and boom, phone in the face.
Yeah, it is like checking messages, right? Or funny videos.
Exactly. But here is the big problem.
Okay, I am listening.
Your brain is very slow in the morning.
True. My brain is like a sleeping baby.
Right, a sleeping baby. And when you look at your phone,
Yeah?
it is like shouting at the baby.
Oh, shouting at the baby. That is bad.
It is very bad. It makes you stressed.
So wait, I get stressed because of the phone?
Yes, even if it is a happy video.
Wait, really? But I like funny videos in the morning.
I know, but your brain is not ready.
Ah, so it needs like time to wake up?
Exactly, Lucas. It needs slow time.
Okay, so what is the secret? How do I wake up good?
Well, we need a good morning routine.
A routine, like doing the same thing every day?
Yes, but simple things. Very simple.
Okay, good, because I am lazy.
Me too. So step 1,
Step 1, I am ready.
do not touch the phone.
For how long? Like an hour?
No, start small, just 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Wait, no, that is hard.
It is hard because your phone is your alarm, right?
Yes, it is right next to my head.
So move the phone
Move it? Where?
to the other room, or like the bathroom.
The bathroom. Wait, so the alarm rings
Mm-hmm.
and I have to walk to the bathroom?
Yes, and you are standing up, you are awake,
Oh, now I get it. That is smart.
right? Because you were already in the bathroom.
Yeah, so I can just wash my face.
Exactly. Cold water on the face.
Cold water? Ugh, I hate cold water.
Just a little bit.
It is like jumping in the snow.
But it works. It wakes up the brain fast.
Okay, so phone and bathroom, cold water.
Yes, and then step 2 is very important.
Wait, is it coffee? Please tell me it is coffee.
No, not yet.
No coffee? Luna, you are killing me.
I know. But first, you gotta drink a big glass of water.
Just water? No sugar, no tea?
Just plain water. Your body is, like a dry sponge in the morning.
A dry sponge?
Yeah, you sleep for 8 hours. You don't drink. You're very dry.
Oh, right, very thirsty.
Exactly. So you give water to the sponge, it gets soft, it works again.
Okay, I like that. Water first, then coffee?
Almost. Step 3 is light.
Light, like turn on the lamp?
No, the sun. Open the window, Lucas.
But I'm tired. The sun is too bright.
That's the point. Sun in your eyes tells your brain, hey, wake up, it's morning.
Oh, like an alarm clock for the eyes.
Yes, perfect. An alarm clock for the eyes.
So, phone far away, cold water, drink water, look at the sun.
You got it.
That's a lot of things, Luna. I'm so lazy.
It takes 5 minutes, just 5.
5 minutes? Really?
Yes, and here's the secret. Don't think, just do it.
Like a robot? Beep, boop, I'm awake.
Yes, be a robot for 5 minutes.
So when do I get my coffee? I really want it.
Wait 1 hour.
1 hour? You're crazy.
Listen. If you drink coffee too fast, you get tired later.
Oh, you mean getting very tired in the afternoon?
Yes, at 2 p.m., you just want to sleep.
That's true. Every day at 2, I'm so tired.
'Cause you drink coffee at 7 a.m.
Wow. Okay, wait an hour. This is hard, Luna.
I know, Lucas, but just try it.
Okay. What about exercise? Do I need to run?
No, just move a little. Stretch your arms, touch your toes.
I can't touch my toes.
Touch your knees then.
Okay, knees. I can do knees.
It's like shaking a juice box. You mix the energy.
Shake the juice box. I love these weird examples. Dry sponge, juice box.
They help you remember.
They do. Okay, let me try to remember everything.
Go ahead.
Step 1, Wake up. Phone is far away.
Yes.
Go to bathroom. Splash cold water on face. Cold snow water. Drink big glass of water. Be a wet sponge.
Right.
Look at the sun. Alarm clock for eyes.
Yes. And stretch. Shake the juice box.
Shake the juice box and wait 1 hour for coffee.
Perfect. You did it.
Wow, I feel healthy already.
So here's a fun game for everyone listening.
Oh, homework?
Just try the phone trick tomorrow. Put it in the bathroom tonight.
Tell us if it works. Write a comment.
Yes. And if you want more easy tips, subscribe to English Pod Center.
See you next time on English Pod Center. Bye.